What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about summer skincare hacks. So here are my top 3 summer skincare hacks that I absolutely swear by, and I'm just going to share it with you all today, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you're exfoliating your skin regularly, because here's the thing, during the summer months, sweat accumulation, clogged pores are very common. They can also cause breakouts. For me, the best way to exfoliate my skin that I feel is to use chemical peeling solutions. I tend to use them about once in 2 weeks. They keep my skin squeaky clean, unclogged, glowing and so gorgeous. And then of course, make sure that you're wearing your sunscreen regularly, religiously. This one's an absolute must. So lately I have been using the sunscreen by Garnier. The Garnier Super UV Invisible Air Mist Sunscreen. Now we all know that protecting your skin against sun damage is very important. It should be a very important part of your skincare routine. We have talked about it enough. But did you know that excessive sun exposure can actually cause irreversible damage to your skin? Irreversible damage, mind you. It can also cause premature skin aging and things like that. So honestly guys, in a country like India especially, where sun rays are so direct pretty much throughout the year, it's very important to make sunscreen a part of your skincare routine. Now I know some of you will say, Prachi, I want to wear a sunscreen, but where are all the good sunscreens? Because they are either very sticky, greasy, they cause that horrible white cast that nobody wants obviously on their faces. However, a few months back is when I actually discovered this sunscreen. You might even recall I was so excited I made this video and I just discovered it then. I was like, oh my god, this really is a magical product because it does such a great job. And guys, it's been months. I've still been using this. This sunscreen really works. Just look at my skin. My skin has been behaving so well. So I'll tell you why I love this sunscreen. First things first, it has SPF 50, very important check. It also comes with PA with 4+ signs. Check, very important. And as for the texture, well, it's a spray sunscreen. So let me show this to you up close. It's super lightweight, very easy to apply, non-sticky, non-greasy, and obviously there is absolutely no white cast. So 99% protection against sun damage in that airy, easy, breezy, natural, lightweight feel. What else could you ask for from your sunscreen? So like I told you, I've actually been using this sunscreen consistently for months. I use it every day, on a regular day or on a day when I want to wear a lot of makeup. Even then the sunscreen is actually very handy, and I'll tell you why. So holding it about 15 centimeters away from my face, I'll spray it on, I'll spritz it on my skin. It barely takes any time, any effort, and it settles down very quickly. After this, if I want to apply my makeup, I'll apply it as usual. So I reapply every 2 hours, and that's what I would recommend to you all as well. And just spray it over your makeup, that's it. It settles down very comfortably without disturbing the makeup. That's a big thumbs up. You don't have to redo anything. I feel like it is so convenient, so handy, so easy. So guys, what I'll do is I'll put the link down in the description box below for this sunscreen. I've actually recommended this to a lot of my friends. They all love it. I have been obsessed. I'll put the link down. In case you have any queries, anything that you would want to know, please share questions in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I would love to hear from you guys. And last but not the least, try a water-based moisturizer. I cannot say this for enough number of times, because see, during the summer months, you cannot be using your winter creams. Winter creams are heavy. Normal creams are heavy. You don't want to use that because that can actually cause breakouts, especially if you're someone who tends to sweat a lot. For a lot of people, this means that they stop wearing moisturizers completely during the summer months. Now, that's not good for you. What is the right option? The right option is a lightweight gel-based, water-based moisturizer. You can apply something like this very comfortably on your skin. It keeps your skin well moisturized, hydrated, happy, relaxed, taken care of, without causing all that stickiness, without causing any breakouts. I think it's a big thumbs up and a win-win in every way. So yes guys, those are my quick summer hacks for skincare this summer season. And for all summer seasons, if you're watching it later in the year or some other year. Having said that guys, if you have anything, any hacks that you would want to share, please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to know what your hacks are. Maybe try them out. Maybe we can do another video like this some other time. And also on that note, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.